I want to see how this gimbal works. Let me check it out here. So, make this thing work properly. When it's a bit cold. We're recording 4K on this Sony FDR 3000. 1080p, 24 frame per second. I think that's my setting. EV is minus 0.3 in the standard mode. And here we go. Yeah, it's cold. I'm supposed to go to Santa Cruz, but I changed my mind. So I am in Capitol Expressway now. So you can see in front of me is the thing that they developed here. It's a skyway. Like I said, it's developed for the train. So it's been what? We're talking about more than 3 years now. It's a skyway meant for a train. This is a long stretch. Yeah, long stretch of beautiful skyway. Look at the materials or the metals that they're using. All solid material, metal, heavy metal. Finishing this project within what? A year? Maybe another 2 years, who knows, because this is such a massive project that they develop or they do here in San Jose. Crossing story. Testing, you can see now, this is the end part of the thing that they just finished. It's beautiful, isn't it? Careful here because there's barriers here if you don't pay attention to the drive. What is that, a plane? Oh yeah, it is a plane. There is a small airport in San Jose. I don't know what you call that airport. But it's still functional, it's still operating. Good curves here. It's now sloping down expressway level, the main road. Swift color. Okay. And there used to be an empty space here, now it's covered with stuff. Yeah. Let's see what's going on here. So this is where it goes to the level of the expressway here in Capitol. So it will end up here on this ridge. So I bet there will be a station here, this ridge. The reason why we went here because I want to get this so This is the replacement for my Vietnamese coffee craving. So I'm gonna get 4 of this. Probably I'll send some to the Philippines. This one here is also interesting, the Cafe de Olla. Find out the price. Instead of mine. Oh, I got 5.